Hi, my name is Kevin Prashant Veigas. I am a certified project management professional with a background in AI driven project coordination. I have completed a postgraduate diploma in information technology project management and I am currently pursuing an MBA in business and technology at Illinois Tech. I am passionate about solving problems through first principles thinking and building bridges between technical execution and strategic business outcomes. I am excited to walk you through who I am, how I work, and why I believe I would be a great fit for Agentnoon. So, one of the most impactful and complex projects I worked on was at Parallel Dots, where I served as an associate project coordinator. We developed AI based solutions to help FMCG clients understand retail execution through image recognition. Our challenge was model inconsistency. The product detection AI would perform well in some regions but fail in others due to differences in shelf layout, lighting, or packaging. Inconsistent labeling, modeling drift, and manual workflows were slowing down our ability to adapt quickly. I led a project to improve our model deployment pipeline. Specifically, we automated portions of the labeling process using confidence-based logic. I introduced a monitoring dashboard to detect anomalies faster, used Kanban boards and flow-based principles to visualize bottlenecks and accelerate releases. The results were significant. We reduced project turnaround time by 18%, improved detection accuracy by 12%. This wasn't just a technical fix. It improved service delivery, reduced client complaints, and increased internal alignment. It taught me how to lead structured change and collaborate across diverse teams towards a measurable outcome. When I start any project, I begin by deeply understanding the business goal. I don't jump into solutions immediately. Instead, I break down the challenge using first principles thinking. Here's a quick look at how I work. First, I understand goals. I collaborate with stakeholders to define the why. Then I break down the problem into the fundamentals that constitute it. I eliminate assumptions and I ask questions like what do we know for sure? Next, I define scope and metrics. I set constraints, success criteria, and key deliverables. I execute iteratively. One thing that has inspired me a lot is the scientific method, and I believe that by implementing regular iterative cycles, we get better at what we're developing. So one thing that we can use agile tools like Jira or Scrum methodology to track and adapt. Next, we learn and refine. I review outcomes, analyze feedback, and continuously improve. This process ensures I'm not just delivering outputs, but outcomes that matter. So why Agentnoon? So what excites me most about Agentnoon is your mission to use AI to optimize people and organizational performance. I believe the future of work depends on actionable data and intelligent tools. And Agentnoon is at the center of that transformation. Your focus on first principles thinking, tech innovation, and cross-functional collaboration is exactly the kind of environment I thrive in. I am especially inspired by the rotational aspect of the management trainee program. It tells me you value developing leaders who understand the business holistically, not just from one angle, and that's the kind of leader I aspire to be. So, one of my surprising strengths is you might not expect much about me that I might have studied cognitive behavioral therapy. While it's not technical though, it's helped me develop strong emotional intelligence, empathy, and the ability to navigate complex team dynamics. Another strength is my ability to connect the dots across business and technical domains. I have often been the person who translates technical progress into business impact, making sure that data scientists, engineers, and stakeholders stay aligned on shared goals. In short, I am analytical but also people focused, and that balance helps me thrive in dynamic, high growth environments like yours. So, finally, thank you for so much for your time and consideration. I am excited about the opportunity to contribute to Agentnoon's mission, to learn from your team, and to grow as a future leader in the tech and AI space. I am ready to collaborate, adapt, and make meaningful contributions from day one. I would love the opportunity to work with you and help shape the future of work together. Thank you.